Microwave. 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 Noun. Definition: an electromagnetic wave with a wavelength in the range 0.001 to 0.3 meters, shorter than that of a normal radio wave but longer than those of infrared radiation. Microwaves are used in radar, in communications, and for heating in microwave ovens and in various industrial processes. Example: microwave radiation. Transitive verb. Definition: cook food in a microwave oven. Example: he microwaved some steak out of the freezer.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.